Hello everybody, it's your immigration attorney, Ruiz, and I'm here with you today because I want to talk to you about one of the most common questions that I get here at the office. And that is, if I obtain my green card, my permanent resident status through my spouse, do I have to stay married? What happens if I divorce? Can they take my green card away? And the answer is maybe. Let me explain in what situations it can affect your status and in what situations it won't affect your status. So if your spouse is filing a petition for you, you go to an interview and they issue you a green card. If you were issued a 10-year green card, then nothing can happen. As long as you entered into a good faith marriage, they're not going to take your green card away. You have a green card that has no conditions. You have a full restriction-free permanent resident card. So getting a divorce is not going to affect you. And who gets the 10-year green card? The 10-year green card is given to people who have already been married 2 full years at the time that the green card was issued, that the permanent resident card was issued. So if you married in January of 2020 and in February of 2022 you were issued a green card, that's been more than 2 years of marriage, then you're going to get the 10-year green card with no conditions. Let's say you were married in January of 2021 and you obtained your green card in February of 2022. You haven't been married 2 full years. So what you're going to get is a 2-year conditional green card, conditional permanent resident status. And after 1 year and 9 months, you're going to have to jointly with your spouse apply to remove these conditions. Now, the question is, well, what happens if I get divorced? I can't apply jointly with my spouse. There are waivers and there are procedures for you to be able to apply on your own without your spouse, as long as you can show that the marriage, although it's ended now, was entered in good faith and that the marriage was for any reason other than to obtain an immigration benefit, in order to obtain a green card, right? So immigration understands that marriages will end. Congress understood it. That's why this process exists. So you don't have to stay in a marriage where you're not happy or where you're being abused. If a relationship comes to an end, you can apply to remove the conditions on your green card on your own, as long as you can show that the marriage, for however long it lasted, was in good faith and that it was for any reason other than to obtain your green card. If you need help with this process, this is something that our office handles, give us a call. We're here to help.